Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4070 Super WINDFORCE OC 12G and the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070 XTOC editions. We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the GIGA BYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super is priced at $599, making it a more affordable option for gamers looking for high performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070 XTOC edition comes in at $799, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and performance needs. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The Gigabyte RTX 4070 Super features a 3x WindForce cooling system, which includes 3 large fans designed to optimize airflow and heat dissipation. On the other hand, the ASUS RX 9070 XT utilizes axial-tech fans that are engineered for improved airflow and cooling efficiency. Both cards offer advanced cooling solutions, but the design and effectiveness may vary based on your gaming setup. In terms of performance, the GIGA BYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super is equipped with 12 GB of GDDR6X memory, providing ample power for modern gaming titles. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming RX 9070 XT boasts 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, which can enhance performance in more demanding scenarios, especially at higher resolutions. Both cards are designed for high-performance gaming, but the additional memory in the ASUS card may give it an edge in certain applications. In conclusion, both the GIGA BYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super and the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070 XTOC edition offer impressive features and performance. Your choice will ultimately depend on your budget and specific gaming needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.